Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about what size flower mum to use with your backers. I'm using 6-inch backers here. I'll show you. I cut these out myself, but I do trace them from a pattern. So they are 6 inches. And both of these have a 6-inch backer, but I made them differently so they turned out completely different sizes. As you can see, this one comes out much further, the one on the back. And there's a 4-inch opening here and only a 3-inch opening here. So that makes all the difference on the size of the mum flower. I do use smaller backers too, so you need to just be careful about how you do that. If you have a flower that's too small for the backer, go ahead and add another layer of ribbon or tulle or just some tinsel or something staple in there, or feathers, just to fill in the space, and then you can go ahead and use that smaller flower. But I'm going to show you a 6-inch flower. First I'll put it in this one that's too big and I'll show you how big that is. It just swallows the poor little flower up. It's way too small for that backer. But if I put it in this one, it fits perfectly. That's exactly how you want it to look. And I could use this for a garter or a smaller girl's mum. Like if a 18-inch streamers or a peewee, well, not quite a peewee one, but one in between, that's what I would use this for. And this one I would use for a girl that wanted at least 24-inch streamers. Like I said, that's way too small, as you can see. So I have a 7.5-inch flower. And you could get by with a 7-inch flower. This is just what I happen to have. And there you go. You can see that fits much better. You can still see all the loops, but it's filled in nicely. The proportion is perfect on it. And then you could finish it off. A good rule of thumb would be to go with a little bit bigger flower than backer size. Or if you have a backer that's too big, I mean, you could trim off the backer for a smaller flower, or like I said, you could just make several layers of loops and stuff just to fill all that in. Okay guys, I hope that helps you. Thanks, bye.